Hello, so let's dive into Klassly app, which is developed by KLASSROOM. And this app is pretty cool actually because it involves parent-teacher relations. So it's both an app for parents or for teachers, where you can and also for students and for kids. So you have all these three groups together and you can just easily communicate and follow the studying process. So for example, this is the app, this is how it looks like. And the idea is that it's like a social media. So you can, like a teacher, you can post some updates about kids. Your parents can also see that updates, or they can add some additional information. And also kids, students can participate in that. So here you can just join an existing class. So you just need a class key, or enter a class key. You can create a new class as well. So yeah, I don't know, like something like that. Customize a classroom. So this is the way to create a class. And then you just need to create a school. So status. Here you just select your status, is you're a teacher, administration, parent, or relative, and your position. So school. Let's just try to find something. Anyway, so that's the idea. Then you create a class. Then when you join specific class with pupils, with other people, you can start a conversation. You can participate in calls. You can start a conference. Then you can instantly create the class book. So I think that's the other product from the company which created the Klassly. And then you have your menu, where you have your profile, your kids. So you can add kids here, subscriptions, preferences. You can change the language, enable demo class, do not disturb mode, security. Then if you want to delete your account, you can just do that in the very bottom. So that's that. Of course, if you participate in some real school, you will just see a much bigger overview what this app can do. But yeah, basically it's like a social feed. So you can see here where you can share pics, videos, voice memos on your timeline and share messages and all of that. Have chats with teachers, see calendar, have video conferences, all of that. So super cool app. So definitely give it a try. Leave your reviews below. Like, what do you think about this? What are the alternatives? Have you used it? What are some issues? So any of that, just leave it in the comments and below. Visit my website, mrhack.io, where I have the online community and forum where you can ask additional questions. And thanks for watching.